7. The one and the many in Aquinas. This means that Aquinas had a problem in maintaining any proper relationship between the one and the many, since particularity was an attribute of matter. First of all, Aquinas tended to separate his universals from God, and he held that in God there is neither universal nor particular. For Aquinas, the one precedes the many. Hence, Plato said that unity must come before multitude, and Aristotle said that whatever is greatest in being and greatest in truth is the cause of every being and of every truth, just as whatever is the greatest in heat is the cause of all heat. This is the basis of Thomas's doctrine of creation, the one as the cause of the many, because the many must by definition originate in the one. For Aristotle, this made man a creature of the state, the social one, and the universe the creature of chaos, the cosmic one. The source for Aquinas is the one, and the goal is also the one unity in which the many find their perfection. He did, of course, try to maintain a balance between the one and the many, between universals and particulars, holding that, to have real existence, the universals must exist in the particulars as their essence, not as abstractions beside them. He sought to maintain this balance in every area,